Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sci-Tech. In this I'm going to talk about what are my top 3 favorite features in the Funtouch Ui 12. Yes friends, right now I'm using this Funtouch Ui 12 for the past I think close to 30 days of usage in this iQOO Z5 device, so which has come by default with the Funtouch Ui 12. So very soon we're going to expect the similar kind of update in the other iQOO 7 device as well with the Funtouch Ui 11 which is running at this moment. And few of the users they want to know what are the features which I did like in the Funtouch Ui 12. So what are my favorite features? That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. Only top 3 I did select, and there are a couple of other features as well, but I'll try to mention only top 3 features in this Funtouch Ui 12 and which I cannot wait to install in the iQOO 7 device as soon as possible. The first main advantage of this Funtouch Ui 12 is that network management. Yes, so finally you can actually block the individual network connectivity for each and every application. That's a kind of thing which I'm trying to wait for a lot of time in the Funtouch Ui mobile phones, because other UIs they do have a couple of UIs as well in terms of blocking individual applications network connectivity. Finally you will be able to do in this Funtouch Ui 12 where you can block the internet connection for individual applications as well. For example, if you don't want to get disturbed from the WhatsApp messages or maybe Facebook messages, just try to click disable that option. That's it. The application will not access any kind of internet at all. Right now as you can see, since I did disable the Wi-Fi, you need to go to the Wi-Fi and data network. So for example, in the Wi-Fi connection I did disable the Amazon, as you can see clearly. So Amazon has been disabled successfully. Now let me need to open the Amazon application, and Amazon application doesn't connect any kind of internet, as you can see exact. So in this way you'll be able to keep the application which you don't want to use internet and which are kind of showing a lot of advertisements as well, you can actually block in this way. For example, some of the games they don't require any kind of internet connection, some offline games, because so those games they'll try to show the advertisement every time when you try to play the games, offline games. So it doesn't make any kind of sense, right, to give the internet connection. So that's disable. That's it. For example, Candy Crush or any other games. So that's it. The game doesn't connect to the internet at all. So maybe another thing what I can do is that I'll try to enable and I'll try to disable everything for all the applications, and then I'll try to choose what games and applications I want to give the permission. In this way you can actually figure out. That's the one advantage which I did like in the Funtouch Ui 12. That's my favorite feature which I cannot wait to install in the iQOO 7 device. So next favorite feature is about the monster mode which is present in this device, so which is also as you can see monster mode. So this monster mode allows the CPU clock speeds to run at high throttle if you try to enable the monster mode. If you need to keep it the balanced mode, that will come to the normal mode only. That's what I'm expecting in the iQOO 7 device as well. Very soon they should give this kind of monster mode capabilities in this device, because whenever we don't want to use any kind of high performance for normal usage, we can always keep in the balanced mode. So that can actually save a little kind of battery, because this phone is always in the high, this iQOO 7 device. So to avoid that kind of always high, you need to have this kind of feature which will definitely keep the phone in the very low stage. So if you want, you can use the monster mode as well. That's kind of another thing I wish they could have included in the iQOO 7. So with the next update, we may be able to see this feature may be coming in the iQOO 7 device. And the final thing which I did like, my third favorite feature is about the multitasking and multi-window. So this is another thing which I did like about the multitasking, as you can see, which is really good to have this kind of very good multitasking window where you can actually shift between the applications very easily and comfortable. As you can see friends clearly, which is pretty good, right? So changing between applications, fantastic. No need to scroll around and everything. So there's 2 different modes available. If you want, you can choose the normal standard one, but if you try to tap on this one, boom. So you do get this kind of really good menu which I definitely like and I do enjoy, because sometimes you want to go through the I think maybe 5th or 6th application, and in this way you can actually get a glance how many applications you open and can actually just go straight away to that application. As you can see friends, instant reaction will be there. So that's the thing which I did like in the Funtouch Ui 12. And let me know in the comment section below friends, what is your favorite feature in the Funtouch Ui 12. And I did try to explore plenty of other things as well. There are very small things. There is not a huge difference, I would say, very little bit difference, but this is one of the thing which I did like. My favorite thing is about this Funtouch Ui 12 is network management, because while I am gaming, always I do get a WhatsApp messages and everything. So just block the internet for WhatsApp and play the games peacefully. Maybe the WhatsApp or Zoom calls or maybe Facebook or any other application. That's it friends, thank you for watching. These are the top 3 features in the Funtouch Ui 12 which I did like it. See you in the next video, and let's ready for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.